In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect with AI. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here you need to create an account. After you create the account, we need to go to the video section. Here we have to click in settings and in the model. Here, be sure that the model is Omniflash. Now here, where it says describe your video, we're going to use this prompt. I'm going to put this prompt in the comment section. So you just have to copy and paste here. Now we have to click here and upload this video. So let's click here. Now we have to click this button and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. This effect looks really good. So if you want to do a video like this one or like the others that I have here, remember that I have another tutorials that you can review. And remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. With that, you could do videos like this one to try the platform. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.